Hello there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install the FlexIt Suite for CorelDRAW X6. My name is Michael, and I'm one of the support specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I'll be helping you on your way today. As always, I am going to be covering the important points on my presentation today, but I will be going pretty fast. So if you need to, pause the video and then let your system catch up. That way we can both be on the same page. Without further ado, let's begin. After purchasing our software, you will be sent an email. So let's go into our emails. And in this email, it is a mail big file, as it is a big file. In my presentation today, I will be using this download for the FlexIt Suite for CorelDRAW 2017, but the only difference will be that in your email, it will say the FlexIt Suite for CorelDRAW X6. So the only difference will be the names will be different in R2. However, I will still be installing the FlexIt Suite for CorelDRAW X6. So within this email, you have the two links. Go ahead and open up both of those links. You'll be brought to these two web pages. The FlexIt Suite is 200 megabytes. It'll take around 5 minutes to download. So while it's downloading, go ahead and download this other one, which is the Getting Started Guide. I highly recommend that you take a look at it while that is downloading. It has a bit of information and it's a really quick read. So let's go ahead and download that. Downloaded fairly fast. Let's show it in folder. So these are the two downloads. The FlexIt Suite will not quite be ready, as we do need to unzip that file. So it's compressed right now. Right-clicking on it gives us this option, Extract All. Windows 10 does allow us to extract files. We don't need any third-party programs to do that now. So Extract All, and I'm going to put it in a folder that I prepared beforehand, FlexIt for X6, and select that folder. So we do want to extract these files into this new folder, and to do so we would just simply click on Extract. I already did this beforehand, so I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to go into that folder already. And this is the information that you guys will be seeing with the install.cdr listed right there. So now we just need to make sure that CorelDRAW is ready for us. So let's go ahead and open that guy up, and we will go into Tools, Options, and under Workspace in VBA, we do want to make sure that Delay Load VBA is not selected here. It saves us some headaches down the road. So let's click on OK. This is ready. Let's go back, and now we will run install. And yes, there will be some pop-ups that show up. We do want to enable macros, as our program is a macro. So enable macros. Do we want to install the FlexIt Suite? Well, yes, we do. And we'll do this, and it's already there. Your software was installed. Please restart CorelDRAW. So with that, we have installed the software. All we have to do is exit out of CorelDRAW and then restart it, and we will be ready to start using FlexIt. So with that, we have installed it. And thank you so much for watching our video. I hope that it helped you out on your way. For more information on our products, check out our YouTube channel for more videos, or head to our website at LaserJumpStart.com. You can also give us a call. Our office hours are from 9 to 5:30, Monday through Friday, and our phone number is listed on this final screen. With that, have a great day, guys.